Let me tell you, she dropped some serious wisdom.
I'm excited to hear it.
Yeah. It's fascinating how this show blends financial advice with like a strong sense of community.
Yeah.
It's not your typical Wall Street setting,
Right.
but
Okay.
that's what makes it so compelling.
I agree.
It's like we're just hanging out with friends.
Yeah.
Now,
What's interesting is that Pinkleton emphasizes that she wasn't immediately successful with Forex.
right?
She realized she was just following along, not truly understanding the concepts.
She realized she needed to understand what she was doing,
Yeah.
so she decided to take ownership of her financial education,
Good for her.
diving headfirst into YouTube videos and even investing in paid courses.
Wow.
And what drew her to the stock market was this idea that there are multiple ways to succeed,
Okay.
and one person's win doesn't have to come at the expense of another's.
I like that perspective,
Yeah.
especially in a field that's often seen as cutthroat and competitive.
Yeah.
It suggests a more collaborative approach to wealth building.
So where does she recommend starting when it comes to identifying promising stocks?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Well, she suggests looking at companies you're already familiar with,
Okay.
the ones you use and understand.
Makes sense.
She also highlights the importance of diversifying your investments across sectors that interest you.
Okay.
So, for example, if you're excited about the future of electric vehicles,
Mm-hmm.
you might explore companies in the charging station space.
Oh, okay.
And she specifically mentions ChargePoint as a potential player to watch.
Oh, yeah.
And she consistently stresses the importance of researching company leadership,
Okay.
paying attention to the ownership stakes of CEOs and top executives.
Makes sense.
She believes that if the leaders aren't significantly invested in the company themselves, it might be a red flag.
That's a valuable insight that I think often gets overlooked.
I agree.
A company's leadership can make or break its success.
For sure.
So understanding their level of commitment and their long-term vision is crucial.